Okay, so now we continue with case 2. Okay, for case 2 is a k equal to 0, right? Okay, so now using the same equation, x prime over x equal to k, so now we equate to 0. Okay, I will replace k equal to 0. So x prime equal to 0, so therefore equation for x 0. Sorry, not 0. So x is c1. Sorry, C1 dah kan? So we use C3. Okay, C3 e power of 0x. So therefore e power of 0 is 1, so we have C3. Okay, so this is for x. Okay, for y, you do the same thing for y. So y prime equal to 0, so you have y equal to c for e0y, so you have c4. Okay, so this is the answer for x. C3 is equal to x, C4 is for y. So this is a case number 2. Okay, so for case number 3, for case number 3 is when k equal to negative lambda square. For the negative, okay, negative. So same thing, you take it the equation x prime over x equal to negative lambda square. So this one you will take it here, you bring to this side and so on. Okay, you bring this side first and then you bring back to this side, so you have positive. So equation for x, you will get it what? Okay, like I said, I don't want to explain on how to get this. You can refer to step number 2. You can refer to chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 is solving the ODE. Okay, alright. So you will get here C. Okay, tadi kita dah guna C4, right? So we use C5. Okay, C5. E power of negative lambda square x. Okay, and then for y, so you will get the same thing like x, so you have y. So you have y equation equal to C6 e power of negative lambda square y. Okay, so this is the answer for equation x. This is the answer for equation y. Okay. Right. Okay, so actually, okay, so this is the part for solving the separated equation. Oh yeah, actually I forgot lah. Okay, right. So I do it for case number 3, but you need to do it same thing for case 1 and case 2. Okay. So after you get x and y here, actually the final answer for each cases, for each cases, you multiply your equation x and y back. Maksudnya darab balik apa yang you dapat. So for example, for case number 3, you have x is C5 e power of negative lambda square x, and your y is C6. So you just multiply these two. Okay, multiply these two. So C5 times C6. So C5 is constant. C6 also is a constant. So we just declare or let it as another one more new constant, A3 for example. So A3 actually is a C5 times C6. Okay, right. So exponential times exponential. So what we can do for the power, we will plus. Okay, we plus the power. So we have the power is negative lambda square x plus with negative lambda square y. So this is the answer. Okay, sorry. Just now I forgot to do it for case 1 and case 2. Okay, so you can apply the same thing. The last part here is you multiply x and y. So you do it the same thing for case 1 and case 2. Okay, right. So I repeat again. So C5 times C6 is a constant. So why not we just replace it with the new constant, and and I let it as A3. Okay, why A3? Because I will let A1 for case 1, A2 for case 2. So A3 exponential, okay, the power will just sum, okay, plus. So this is the answer for case number 3. Okay, so this is how we we do it for step number 2, is solving the separated equation. Okay, so we will proceed with the step number 3, which is the Fourier series solution. Okay, right. So if you can see, actually case 1, case 2 is just actually the step, I mean case 1, case 2, case 3, the step is will same. I mean for the next question also, this is how you answer. Okay, I said I said it for case 2, case 2, solving the separated equation for case 1, case 2 and case 3. So now after finish step 2, so we proceed to step number 3, which is Fourier series solution. Okay, and then for that Fourier series solution, I think I will give you one more example, which is the what we call the application one lah. This is just a simple example. So for the next one, to show is the Fourier series solution, I will use the example that we will ask in your question. Okay, alright.